In it to win it, win it, win it. Hello, welcome to my channel. Back to school, back to school. After soaking my apples inside a bowl of water with a bit of salt and also apple cider vinegar. Now let's get jiggy. Woo woo woo. Okay, so now I'm placing my apples inside a juice extractor, or you could say juicer, because we're going to make some nice juice without water, without sugar, without corn syrup. Okay, and I'm placing the apples inside. At this point, I decided to turn off the juicer because apples was going from left and right, so I decided to turn it off and then put the apples inside and then turn it back on again. So that's what I'm doing right here. Yeah, so I'm going to switch it on again to make that good juice. Also, I'm using a tongue to get the rest of the apples. Oops, I guess it's full right now. This is a great video compared to the first one, so I couldn't let this one go to waste. So I'm still placing my apple inside the juicer. Here we go. Almost finished. Yeah, it's best to give your kids, your children, homemade juice because at least you know what they're drinking, you know what they're inside their body. You know what I mean? Before I bought juice, not in it. When I look at the back of the juice, the bit that says ingredients, there's like 110 different type of stuff. And as you can see right here, I'm not using any water, I'm not using any sugar, just apples, that's it. So what's going on right here now? Okay, I'm finished. So now I'll be placing the juice inside that cup. I think it's a Ninja Turkey cup, honestly. Everything that's in this video, I just like walked around the house looking for stuff because I decided I'm going to make my video today, because during the week I'm extremely busy with my son. Okay, look at that, pure juice. This is 100% juice. Why are they lying to us? When you buy all those juices and stuff from the store, the shop, they're saying it's 100% pure juice. It's not. That's a lie. This is 100% juice, as you could see. Look at that. Yep, there we go. That's the real deal right there. Okay, so this is fruit juice. So the same apple juice that I made before. If your child don't like 100% apple juice, just apple juice I should say, what you could do is add more fruits to it. You could also use a regular blender to blend up the fruits, especially if the fruits, if they're like what should I say, if they're soft, I recommend to use a blender. But solid vegetables and fruits is good to put in a juice extractor. Yes, you get the juice from the soft juice fruits like strawberries, berries and stuff like that. If they're so expensive as well, you don't want to waste, the juice. So I'll definitely recommend as well, certain fruits you should use a blender. So you could see the color right here with the strawberries in it, peach. What else did I put in there again? Oh, mandarin. And honestly, this one tastes really good. Also, what I'll recommend as well is to strain this one, because I'm sure most kids don't like to taste bits and stuff like that inside the juice. So I'll definitely recommend you to strain this one. Look at that, 100%, 100, I should have said 1000% real homemade juice. There we go. This is my first time doing a voiceover, but I'm doing it. I'm trying. That looks good. Back to